You are probably editing AI images the wrong way. Most people type prompts, regenerate, and hope for luck. But what if you could control everything in your image, every element of it? Today, I will show you a beginner friendly trick using JSON prompt editing that gives you near 100% control. Let's test it immediately. Let's start with a realism test, a weather transformation test. So, guys, I'll show you how to properly edit. Here is my image, a realistic scene in Lagos, pedestrians, roadside markets, bright afternoon sunlight. Now I want to turn this into a heavy rainfall scene without changing anything else. Here is what I do. I go to Google Gemini, click on create image, tap the plus icon and click upload file. Add your image. Now here's the magic prompts to add. Add this prompt saying, analyze this image and extract all details into structured JSON. Hit on send. And boom, your entire image is now converted into a structured JSON file. Now, what you need to do is to copy this JSON file of your image, re-upload the same image, and paste the JSON prompt back. Then scroll through. Since I want to change the weather, at the lightning section of my JSON prompt, I change it to dim raining atmosphere. For the sky, I change it to dark storm clouds. For the weather, I change it to heavy rainfall. Before clicking on generate, add this exact prompt saying, modify the image based on the JSON data, leave other things constant. Hit on send. And just like that, same image, same people, same scene. What changes is the weather, the lighting, and the sky. That's the control I'm talking about. Next is environmental transformation. Here is my starting image. It is a peaceful park with green trees, grass, walking paths, bright summer daylight. Just the same process like what I did for the first image editing. Upload the starting image, get the JSON text prompt for that particular image, extract it, copy it, re-upload your image and paste. Now edit, change the season to autumn, the leaves section, change it from green to orange, then add falling leaves covering the part and add this last prompt saying, modify the image based on the JSON data, leave other things constant. Hit on generate and look at what you have. Everything is identical except the season and environment. Let's push it further. Here is a modern living room with sofa, coffee table, large window, and natural daylight. So I'm going to edit the lightning of this image, that is my starting image, to a warm indoor lightning. The lamps in this image are going to be turned on, and then the window in this image, I'm editing it so that we can see the dark night sky. Then hit on generate. And wow, same room, but now it feels like nighttime indoors. Now check this out, natural aging. We have the same woman, but what changes is her hair, skin texture, age details. Everything else stays untouched. That's precision editing. So guys, if this video helped you in any way to edit your images professionally without doing guesswork again with the power of JSON prompting, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next video.